Force-sensitive children to become the next generation of knights. These students are taken to one of several Jedi temples hidden across the galaxy to test their abilities.
Master, is this really... It's just, I'm not sensing anything.
This is the place.
You sure?
Yes. Force is strong here, Idris. Very strong. Jax, Elbach, students, all of you. I know you've traveled far to be here today, we all have. But this is the time, and this is the place. We all must face the trials of the temple, and all of you to this return must bear witness. And the Force is strong with everyone here, or else it wouldn't be called the sacred place. Now you all know the Force is an energy field, created of all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, binds the galaxy together. Now you students have shown great sensitivity to the Force, but are you truly meant to be Jedi? This is where we find out.
Ansel, I want to be a Jedi. I really do, but I've got a bad feeling about this.
You always have a bad feeling, then.
Well, I'm just saying maybe someone should stay back with the ship.
What is the fastest way to the dark side of the Force, Nicholas?
Hate.
Hate.
Greed.
Greed.
And...
How about fear?
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. You know what? I'm just going to go way back with the ship.
What's Nicholas? Do you want to be a Jedi or not?
Of course.
Well, then we have to be willing to discover our fears, face them, and learn from them.
No, my fears. It's my nightmares. It's Kylo Ren. He haunts my dreams.
That is wrong by the fear. Kylo Ren stirs in each of us, but fear is natural. To be perfectly honest, I'm scared myself by what we may find today, but how we face that fear.
I got those.
It also takes control. Last time they cut off your nose.
What? That was one time.
And not just your nose.
I said I was sorry about that.
I need you at your best today. We all need to rise to our best. We work as a team or we fail. Don't let me down.
Did I ever let you down?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, well, other than the time on the asteroid, that was bad.
Just one time?
And the time with the dewback lizards.
There
Look,
it is.
the point is, I'm not going to let you down today. We're all in this together, right? Yes.
You know what? I actually think you're right.
Really? I'm right?
Yes. If we do run into trouble, we'll need to be able to defend ourselves.
Or run away.
Apprentices. Bring out the lightsaber.
All right. Now, that's a step in the right direction.
The training you're about to receive today may very well save your life once we enter the temple. First, a Jedi uses their lightsabers for defense, never for attack. So, use your lightsaber today must clear your minds of fear and anger. Now, there are three very important rules you must know before you accept the trials of the temple. Rule number one, please remember your training positions. Look down. Blue circles you should be standing on. That's your training position. Rule number two, be mindful of your lightsaber at all times. Use the Force to make sure you don't hit anyone around you. Rule number three, very important and pertains to what appears to me. No jumping or falling off the upper level. If you do, it could mean disaster for us all. All focused? Are we all truly prepared? Excellent. Let's get started. Oh, thank you, Elbach. A lightsaber. You see, a lightsaber not as clumsy around it as a blaster. It was an elegant weapon for more civilized days. Now, if you ever need to engage in combat, I'm going to show you the exact moves. You'll need to know to defend yourselves. You'll first cut to the left shoulder, then you'll cut to your opponent's right shoulder.
Wait a minute. What if your opponent has more than two shoulders?
Okay.
Oh, or no shoulders. Hey, remember that giant heel on Rishi?
It would be wise to stay focused. Never you've had this training. What's the students have?
Right.
Your remaining targets, you will duck, stand, and cut to the head. Now, students, watch me carefully. This is very important. When I say ready position, you're all going to raise your lightsabers like this. Let's all try it together now. Ready position. Good. Sabers down. Edris, you will take the group from the lower level. I'll take the upper level. This time, those be the lower level. Turn and face Edris. They'll be leading you in the combination. Watch. Listen to her very carefully. She's strong in the Force and may someday become a very powerful Jedi. Do as we do. All together now. Everyone face front towards Edris. And ready position. Now, cut your opponent's left shoulder. Bring it over on the head. Cut to the right shoulder. Good. Sabers down. For over 1,000 generations, the Jedi Knight, the guardians of peace and justice. Well, it's our turn now. Everyone face front towards Nedris. Ready position. Cut to the left shoulder. Cut to the right shoulder. Now duck. Stand. Good, sabers down. Looks like we're getting the hang of this. We might be ready to meet the trials here.
Yeah, I think maybe I am ready.
Let's go.
I mean, I've been brave in the past, right? Hey, Benzel, you remember that time I stood in front of a whole herd of stampeding bandits? It was so cool. Hey, have you ever smelled a bandit before?
Oh,
It smells so bad.
In the words of Master Qui-Gon Jinn, your focus determines your reality. Everyone, face front towards Nedris. Ready in position. Cut to the left shoulder. Cut to the right shoulder. Duck. Stand. And cut to the head. Good. Sabers down. That was amazing. Speaking of amazing, young man, good job. The next time, you might want to try to aim a little higher. There's a good chance whenever it comes out of that temple, he might be a little taller than you. unless you're scared of Ewoks. Woo! You're not scared of Ewoks, are you?
Actually, I kind of am.
No?
They have sharp teeth.
This has been an amazing talk. Excellent. Now this time, we'll do the entire combination together. Nedris, how about you lead them?
What, me?
Well, you're ready.
I'll try.
In the words of Master Yoda, do or do not, there is no try.
Thank you, Master.
Welcome.
All right, if you're all ready, say yes.
Yes!
Great. Now remember, be mindful of your lightsaber. Do not hit anyone. Turn it face forward. And ready positioning. Cut to the left shoulder. Cut to the right shoulder. Now duck, stand, and cut to the head. Nice job. Saber down, turn it face Benzel.
Excellent job, students. Nedris! Well done. Now, there's a Jedi temple in here that's supposed to be filled with mysteries. It could be dangerous. I don't know what we'll find. Every trial is unique to every Jedi. What I know is this: must summon our strength and courage to face whatever may be in there. The first trial will be to reveal the temple.
Yeah. Okay. Stand back. Leave this to me.
Okay, because it's, Nedris, I think it's, okay, I think Apprentice Nedris is definitely going to need our help. Everyone, calm your minds. Reach out with your feelings to the Force flowing through you. I need everyone here to close their eyes. That's it, trust in the Force. Now try to picture the temple and raise your hand. Yes, raise your hands to lift it up. This way, everyone focus. You can do it, that's it. Focus this way. That's it, you're doing it, good job. We're gonna need more help. All of you. Yes, all of you. The Force is strong with each and every one of you. I need everyone here, sitting or standing. Reach out and use the Force, please. That's it, sir, you're doing it. Good job. 2 hands over here. Everyone over here, miss, black t-shirt, front row, help us out. Do it, there you go, good. Everyone, reach out. That's it, we're doing it. Feel the Force flowing through you just like that. Yes! Look at that. The ancient records are right. First step of our journey is complete.
Am I a Jedi now?
What?
I'm a Jedi.
Whoa,
I did it.
no, don't congratulate yourself just yet. The real trial of this temple is still to come. Elba, Jax, bring the students over here by the stairs immediately. Good, all right. Students here, Nedris, I'm gonna need... Nedris?
What?
Focus. Students, listen carefully. The Force is strong in this place. Greatest hopes, greatest fears may seem to come to life here. And we might see frightening enemies that may be different for each of us, but remember they're not real. What stands before us is only our fear, seeming to be real.
So wait, what if you have a fear of womp rats?
Well, then you might see womp rats.
You really have no idea what's going to happen in there, do you?
No. No, I don't.
Great.
What I do know is this: we must confront our fears and be tested. So, with... Oh no, it's already starting. Nedris, be ready. Students, remember we must embrace the light side of the Force. We cannot give in to fear. We cannot give in to anger. Everyone, remain calm. It's okay. Stay focused.
Join me, and I will complete your training. If you only knew the power of the dark side.
Students, be brave and remain calm, for I tell you, there are many of us, but only one of them, right?
So, you've had some lessons. I think it's time for a test.
This challenge just became greater than I anticipated.
Master.
Everyone remain calm, and they appear real, but you can defeat them. We can defeat them. You know you've been trained well. Focus your thoughts and remember your lightsaber training.
Denzel, we need to focus on running.
Then just control your emotions or risk falling to the dark side. We have to work together as a team. Jax, you and Edris take your group to face Kylo Ren. Elba, you and I will take ours and face Vader. Right this way. You can do this. We're going to step forward and stand right about here.
If you wish to challenge the dark side, so be
Be
it.
brave. Use the Force. Perform what you were taught and you will succeed.
A future Jedi. We'll see about that.
Ready position.
As you
Here we go. Left shoulder, right shoulder. Duck. Good. Right up top. Excellent. Sabers down this way. Good job. Perfect form. Next. Step forward. You're going to stand here. Ready position.
The fate of the Jedi has been sealed. Yours remains to be seen.
Now, cut to the left shoulder. Right shoulder. Duck. Strike up top.
You have learned much. I can teach you so much more.
I doubt that. Left shoulder first. Left side. Right side. Duck. Strike up top of the hand. Perfect. Look at that. You're smiling. Confused him. Well done. Stand here. Ready position.
I sense the Force is strong with you.
Do you?
Let's see if you can use it.
Let's see. Left side. Right side. Duck. Right. Yes. Good spot. Well done.
Okay, stand right over here. And ready position.
Your training will serve you well when you serve me.
You'll never serve him. All right, left shoulder. That was amazing. You guys are so impressed. Hold on, something's wrong. They're still here.
What?
Maybe it's my turn to fight.
Perhaps still a part of the lesson remains. A part you have missed.
Master Yoda?
You must face your fear, not fight it. It is only then you will pass your trial.
Of course. It all makes sense now. We can't truly defeat them until we defeat our own fear. Let's face our enemies with no weapons.
What?
Yes, Vader and Kylo Ren, their own fears come to life. We can't truly defeat them until we calm ourselves, Denris, and release them. Students, calm your minds and lay down your sabers gently on the ground, like this, together. Good, that's it. Everyone concentrate. Use the Force to push Kylo Ren back. That's it. Stay focused. Now everyone, repeat after me. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. Yes, we did it! Raise a cheer for these brave students. Elba, Jack, move to the front, right here.
What is that? What did he come from?
And if you hear nothing of what I just said, you're not listening, and I need you to. It's very
Much fear do I sense here. Your fear of the dark side only strengthens it.
I agree. Listen to Master Yoda.
I'm not laying down my lightsaber. We have to be ready.
We are.
Do you think you're ready to face me?
Master.
Vendors resist here.
You know me.
Yes.
Not like I know you.
Vendors, don't let them control you.
You want so desperately to become a Jedi. But do you really believe you can?
I don't know. Yes. I mean, yes.
Vendors, trust your training. Stay calm, stay focused.
You think you're ready? Let's find out.
Vendors!
I have to prove him wrong.
Vendors!
I have to defeat him.
You fight well. But this is where your master's training ends.
Look out!
I can teach you the ways of the Force.
You mean the ways of the dark side?
The power of the dark side.
Vendors, listen to me. The choice is yours, not his. You have the power to choose your more Nedris. Let go of your fear. Everyone, tell her to be strong.
Do not interfere.
I'm in charge. Students, everyone here, tell her that she can do this.
Get out of my head.
She did it!
Let go of my fear. And now it has no power over me. And neither do you.
Yes, everyone, the force is stronger in all of you. Force push on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we did it! Excellent job, students. Nedris, well done.
Master.
Yes.
My fear let him into my mind, and my anger clouded my judgment. It was only by remaining calm and controlling my emotions that I was able to fight the dark side.
You learned very well today, my overexcited apprentice. Well done, students. You all showed great wisdom and control. You are fully ready to follow the path of the Jedi.
Remain strong, young ones. And may the Force be with you. Always.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Students and everyone here to turn around, face our friends and family with us on trials. Someday, they will have the opportunity to face their own trials. Everyone, these students showed great strength and courage today. Students, ready position. Welcome to the future of the Jedi.